Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious manzanas locas. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious Mexican snack, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need green apples, cucumber, jicama, mango, lime, fruit pulp pieces, tamarindo paste, your choice of cocktail peanuts, Salsaghetti candy, Tajín, your choice of hot sauce, and chamoy. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first you're going to make sure that you wash your apples very good. Alright, so next we're going to start by making a fruit salad. So first I'm going to start by cutting and peeling my cucumber. I'm just going to rub the ends. And this is just to remove any bitterness from the cucumber. That's according to my mom, my grandma. So for me, it's just a habit. Okay? So once you get your cucumber, we're going to peel it. Alright, so next I'm just going to cut my cucumber in half. I'm going to remove all the seeds. Alright, so next I'm going to grab my cucumber and cut into small strips. Alright, so once we have our cucumber, we're going to cut into small cubes. And I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. Do the same to the other side of your cucumber. Next, we're going to peel our jicama. And the jicama, I'm just going to use half of it, but I'm still going to peel the whole thing. Just because here in my house, it's not going to go to waste. So I'm just going to grab my potato peeler and just peel it. Alright, so next we're just going to cut our jicama down. So just cut into small circles first. And if you don't want to cut them, you can always shred them. For me, I'd rather cut them and have them in small cubes rather than to have my fruit in all shredded, but it's all optional. And then into little cubes. And then start throwing it with your cucumber. Alright, so next we're going to grab our mangoes and do the same. So start by peeling it. So next we're just going to remove the pit. Just go around it like that. Grab as much as you can. And this is a juicy mango. Alright, so once you remove the pit, we're going to cut our mangoes into small little cubes. And then throw it with your jicama and cucumber. Alright, so once you have your fruit all nicely chopped like this, we're going to add our lime juice and squeeze it on our fruit. So I just grab half of the lime. So now just give it a quick mix. Alright, so now we are ready to work on our apples. Alright, so next we're going to grab our tamarindo paste. And these ones you can find them at any Mexican candy store. So they come already pre-packed like this. So I'm going to use 2 of them. And I'm going to put them in the microwave for 10 seconds. Just so like that, they get soft and it's easier for us to wrap it around our apple. Alright, so next you want to make sure that your hands are nicely clean and also wet them. Wet them a little bit with water. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my tamarindo out of the plastic wrap. Now it's all nicely soft. And it's going to be easier for us to wrap it around the apple. Make sure that the apple, it's dry, okay? So now I'm just going to kind of press it down with my hands. and kind of stretch it out. Okay, just like that. So now I'm just going to place my apple on top of the tamarindo and start pressing it. And you're going to slowly kind of pull it outward. So just make sure that the whole tamarindo is nice and smooth, covering the whole apple. So just press and pull. All right, so just make sure that you make it as smooth as possible. And just your whole apple is even. So spread the tamarindo evenly throughout the whole apple. All right, so once we have our apples ready, we're going to sprinkle it with Tajín. So just add as much as you want. Okay, like that. Do the same to the other one. And don't worry, none of that is going to go to waste. Okay, we're still going to sprinkle it on top of our fruit. So we are almost done. So this is what the apples look like. This is so beautiful. So make sure that when you pick your apples, they are as even, you know, and as round as possible. So like that, when you make them like this, they look pretty like that. And they're not deformed like this one over here. But it's okay. We're still going to cut it, so don't worry. So next we're going to grab our apple and cut it into slices. So I'm going to use my little slicer over here and put it in the middle there and slice. And if you don't have one of these, don't worry, you don't have to go out and spend it, you know, spend money on it. You can use a knife and just slice them. Beautiful. Okay, so that's our sliced apple. So now I'm just going to grab my bowl where we're going to be placing our fruit in our apple. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab my slices of apples and place them on my bowl where we're going to be placing all of our fruits together. All right, so once our apple is in our bowl, we're going to top it with our fruits. You can add as much as or as little as you like. Just make it go all around. We're going to add our japoneses, our peanuts. Our tamarindo. More tamarindo. We're just going to squeeze some lime juice. We're going to add some Tajín. Our chamoy, and I'm just using homemade. And some Valentina or Tapatio, whatever your choice is. And I'm going to top it with some Salsaghettis. And voila, our easy Manzanas Locas. It's now ready to be enjoyed. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I am so ready. This is everything that you know that we like in one, and it's so fast and super easy to make, you know, so anybody can enjoy it. And also, if you're, you know, want to start your business, or you have your business, or you know, you want to make a little extra money, there you go. Ready? Can never go wrong with apples, tamarindo, and Tajín. Ready? Okay. Cheers. The tamarindo is perfect with this.
Good.
So good. And try the mix. And of course, you know, you can always add or take away. I mean, you can make it your own. These are all my fruits. and vegetables in one.
I love the apples.
So good. And of course, you know, this is not something that you're gonna be eating every single day, but once a month, it's perfect. So good. The kids love it. I love it. And I hope you guys love it just as much. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my manzanas locas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.